Hello, I am Volt E, your guide through India's Powerplay in electronics. India is entering a new era of electronics, driven by innovation and unstoppable ambition. In the past decade, India's electronics manufacturing has surged from 1.9 lakh crore rupees to over 11.3 lakh crore rupees, multiplying exports 8 times and attracting $4 billion in FDI. And throughout this rise, one platform has consistently enabled real connections and real business: Electronica India and Productronica India. These electronics trade fairs have witnessed tremendous growth in the scale of electronic solutions on display and in footfalls from the national and international buyer community. Trusted by 10,000 plus global and Indian brands, these shows have become the industry's benchmark. Every year, they bring together CEOs, innovators, and manufacturers from 50 plus countries. India's electronics industry is expanding so rapidly that one city can no longer contain the momentum. Regional demand is rising fast, and India now needs 2 gateways. In Greater Noida, this April, exhibitors connect with the manufacturing and component power belt. In Bengaluru, this September, they reach the nation's design R&D and innovation clusters. With 50,000 buyers, the show's flagship programs create unmatched opportunity. The VIP buyer program, uniting the top 100 CEOs from EMS, consumer durables, automotive, LED, healthcare, aerospace, and other major manufacturing sectors. The Bharat Electronics Yatra, spotlighting rising Tier 2 demand from Noida to Ghaziabad, Faridabad to Gurugram, Manesar to Greater Noida, Chandigarh and Jaipur. Plus, global pavilions and delegations from 50 plus countries. One mission, 2 shows, unlimited opportunity. Greater Noida in April, Bengaluru in September. Join us and shape the future of electronics together. This is India's Power Play in electronics, led by Electronica India and Productronica India.